It's Raf Cave. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Now guys, this is going to be a video on unboxing and showing the initial setup of a really amazing Android box called the Superbox S2 Pro. Now this is pretty awesome, guys. Whew. You know, I got this. Holy cow, guys. Let me show you guys how the Raf Cave got the Superbox here. Look at this. So you go on the lovely Instagram page of My Superbox TV. Check out this nice promotion on Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Belated Happy Father's Day. And there's a contest. 2 lucky winners of the Superbox. And lo and behold, your Raf Cave is right down here in the bottom left. Holy cow. Amazing. So this box is here. I want to thank you very much, Superbox. Appreciate it. Anyway, guys, let's look at the specs. So let's check out Amazon. Now, this is the Superbox Pro S2 Pro. This is the 2021 version. And, you know, look at this beautiful box. The time in the front. A couple of strong antennas for a Wi-Fi connection. Nice remote control. Very easy to use. And we'll go down here. Let's look at these pictures. So the remote control is real nice. A lot of great buttons on it, easy to navigate. But this box, guys, it's a super Android box. So you're going to get all the Android apps on here if you want. But more importantly, guys, this is going to give you a lot of TV channels. A lot. I'm talking about almost all TV channels and movies and sporting events and all this stuff. It's a box of wonders. But right now, we're just going to talk about the Android side of it and what it looks like and how cool it is to have this box in your house. So yeah, you have the plethora of TV shows and movies at your fingertips. This one's been updated with Android 9. It's got 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of ROM. What else we got here? Android box, guys. Got 2 Wi-Fi antennas. Nice new feature about the S2 Pro is the playback function lasts 7 days. So I believe this has some kind of a memory system for your shows 7 days. Updates is there, decoding optimized, new design, new look. Oh yeah, this is definitely a box that will suit your TV watching needs very nicely. So yeah, it's got all the apps on there. It's got a nice layout. So we'll check this out in a minute here, get this unboxed, and we'll look at it. Without further ado, guys, let's get this unboxed. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Black pin. Oh my. This is going to be pretty sweet. If there's something you want to watch on TV, this little box here is going to give it to you. Okay. Superbox. Look at this Superbox. Now, here are all the goodies inside. Power adapter. US. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Right, US already. Boom. We have a standard HDMI cable. Looks like about 4 to 5 feet. Probably 4 feet. We have a owner's manual on the inside here. Boom. Remote control. Guys, nice shiny glossy front. A learning function on the back. Learning function. All right, the main event, guys. This powerful box. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Superbox S2 Pro. Antennas up. Boom. There's your front. LED light front, S2 Pro. Focus on that camera. There's your side. This is going to be your USB 2 restore button, USB 1, and your TF connection, TF. Got nice ventilation vents on the sides and back. And of course the back, you're going to have your optical output, your LAN port, HDMI out, IR, AV cord, and DC input. Awesome. All right, guys, let's get this plugged in and we'll look at the interface of this incredible Superbox S2 Pro. Let's get it. All right, guys, so here is the main screen here. Beautiful layout, looks fantastic, very easy to see what's going on. This is your live TV, so all the apps that you download that involve TV live, like right now, goes there. And video on demand is going to be all the apps that you download that would give you video on demand, right? That'll go there. Playback is based on the VOD program or app you download. Browser, of course, is going to be your web browser. Simple. Your app store is where we're going to get the apps to download. And favorites, of course, are all the favorite apps that you highlight to mark. And then, of course, you can add your favorite apps on the bottom here. So this is going to be your customer support, friendly people, always around. That's going to be your dump icon to dump all the trash out or get rid of any apps that are running, kind of thing. This cleans things out. That's going to be your speed test. If you want to test the internet speed. Now this one, the Ethernet port is only 100, doesn't go to a gig, so it's going to top out around 90 to 100 megabits per second there. That's going to be your speed boost, boosting the box to be a little bit cleaner. That's going to be your files, if you want to see what files you have available on the internal storage, or your USB if you have that. And this is going to be your settings icon. Let's go ahead and select that. So now that we're in device preferences, about specs about the unit itself. Date and time, that's where I chose to change the time. So I'm setting mine to Central Daylight, and you can use the 24-hour format or the standard format. So I'm going to go standard. It's easier to see. We're not in mouse mode. Speaking of mouse, this remote has a mouse mode, so you can turn on a cursor and move the mouse around the screen, which is nice. I'll show you right now. See, there's your mouse. And we'll go back, and let's go down to display. You can adjust the size of the screen. Here, the HDMI mode, you're going to select your resolution. Right now it's at 1080p 60. I think that's default. But if you want, you can go all the way down to 4K 60. And now we're at 4K 60. And let's see what else we got. CVBS output mode. Well, NTSC for me. Color depth. You have the 444, which is very good. If you want HDR, you're going to go 420 or 422. I'm leaving mine at auto. And then the HDR mode, you can select SDR, HDR. Very cool. As far as sound goes, this will give you bitstream output. So just raw data comes out, which is good. Otherwise, audio mode, HDMI, optical. You choose which one you want. I'm going to go basic right now. But if you guys have thought of receivers, definitely go pass-through mode and HDMI if you want the highest quality audio. All right, let's go back to the main menu here. And so, if you want to get the good stuff, guys, you got to go to your App Store. Now, Play Store is going to be your standard Google Store. Nice and friendly. All kinds of apps you know and love, Android-based. All the apps you want. Streaming, apps, games. Not sure about games, but definitely handle it. All your stuff is going to be there, right? Now, the good stuff is going to be in the App Store. Now, this is where you're going to get your VOD and your TV. All of it. Okay? And we got some other stuff here if you want to go into that. So, as far as an all-complete box, guys, this will give you the stuff right here. Okay? So, those are the ones you want to go to right away. Download those two. And of course, it's going to handle, Netflix and all the other, HBO and Amazon, all stuff. It'll handle that. You just got to download it. This is an Android box, so it'll play all your Android apps. It's really, really powerful. So once they download the two special apps, you can go into live TV or VOD, or you can put them as a favorite on the bottom two. That's what I did. All you do is you select the ad, and you can select the app you want. So if we go to live TV, and you choose Blue TV, it'll automatically pull up, you know, station 1. You just press the OK button, and that pulls up your grid. So this is all the channels here, and at the top of the screen you can go to favorite. That's when you highlight the star. You just hold the select button down and it highlights that star. That puts it in the favorite. But you go network TV. I mean, look at alphabetical order, guys. That's all network TV. I select it, CNN, right? Boom, quick, loads up nicely. Regional locals, that's your local TV stations. And you know, we got all the different cities around the country right there. Pretty awesome. Then you got your sports networks. So all the sports networks are right there. 24/7 stuff that's always running 24/7. You can just choose the theme of it. PBV events, they're right there. NBA games, all that's left is those two. Major League Baseball, if you want to watch your favorite team, you're not in that state, right here. NFL games, you got your Game Pass right there. All the NFL games around the league will show up anytime you want. Basketball, NHL, right? There's your last few teams right there. Canada stations, Latino stations, Philippine stations, and all that, guys. So that's going to be your TV, right? Blue TV, fantastic. And now we go to Blue VOD. So if you want to catch up on your favorite show, or search for a show, or check out a movie somewhere, it's all right here, guys. Right? Loki, fantastic TV show. You know, we're clicking on Loki. We got the first 3 episodes right there, guys. Amazing. Let's get out of here. So, guys, let me tell you, if you want it all, Superbox is going to give it to you. But if you really want all the channels and all the movies, you want to get Blue TV and Blue VOD. That's going to give you everything. All right, everything. So you can get rid of cable, satellite, get rid of your monthly fees and all that. This is the box for you guys. All right, guys. Well, here it is. This is the Superbox S2 Pro box. It is awesome. It's definitely very powerful. I love it. I'm very, very thankful to have this in my raft cave. And I want to thank again Superbox for sending me this for a Father's Day gift.